how to cancel direct debit in Barclays. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up the Barclays app or your online banking and then log into your account. You will then go to the direct debit section, tap manage payments, or you can also find the direct debits list under your account. Next, you will choose the direct debit you want to cancel. Scroll and select the specific direct debit you want to cancel. Review the payment details such as company name, amount, etc. Cancel the direct debit. You will then click on cancel direct debit. You may need to confirm by tapping yes or confirm. As for the confirmation, you will receive an email or app notification. The direct debit will no longer be paid from your account. You can also notify the company, which is optional but smart. You can let the company know you've canceled the direct debit. This helps avoid missed payments or service interruptions. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.